All right, you have your introduction paragraph completely done. You have body paragraphs 1, 2, and 3 completely done. You are almost complete with your first ever high school essay, and all you need to add is your conclusion paragraph. So this video is all about that conclusion paragraph. Um, so let's jump right in. So the conclusion paragraph is basically a paragraph where you are summarizing everything you've already said for your reader. I know it seems repetitive, but think of it this way. Your introduction is, this is what my essay is going to be about. And then your body paragraphs are, here's my essay, I'm telling you the things. And then my conclusion is, here is what I just told you. So you're adding no new information in your conclusion. You are simply rewording and summarizing what you've already said. So the conclusion actually is pretty simple as long as you have strong body paragraphs. So the first thing you're going to do is write a reworded thesis sentence. So a reworded thesis statement. So if you look at your thesis statement in the introduction paragraph, so if I scroll up here, our thesis statement is right here. It was that fill in the blank sentence. You need to look at that thesis statement and say it in different words here. You're basically saying the same information, you just can't copy and paste. So just slightly tweak it, use different words. I'll show you an example in just a minute. So reworded thesis statement. Then you're going to look at paragraph 1, which was all about personal attributes. Remember, that was about physical description and personality. And you are going to summarize what you said. So maybe in one sentence, take some of the main ideas from that first body paragraph. You won't be able to include everything, but just take the big ideas and summarize them again here. Again, I'll show you an example in a second. Then another one of those internal link things. So here though, you're reviewing the topic of the paragraph 1, the one that you just summarized, and then you are introducing that next I'm going to summarize paragraph 2. So internal link will say something about, in addition to Katniss's personal attributes, she can also be described by her relationships. So you're just summarizing, or you are transitioning between your summary of body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. Then same thing here, you're going to summarize body paragraph 2. So tell me the main ideas about your character's relationships. Look back at your second body paragraph, kind of take the key ideas and summarize them here into one sentence. These should only be one sentence long. You've already given your reader all the details and examples in your paragraph. Here, you're just quickly summarizing. Then another internal link. So you are now moving from body paragraph 2 to body paragraph 3. So along with Katniss's relationships, she can also be characterized by her lifestyle. And then you're going to summarize up that lifestyle information just like you've done on the last 2 paragraphs in one sentence. And then your final part of your essay should be about 1 to 2 sentences. I recommend 2, but if you can get all the information in one, that's fine. And this is fill in the blank for you. So overall, put your character's name in, is a insert an adjective character because. So we'll say, overall, Katniss is a strong character, or you could say good, bad, serious, whatever adjective you want to use, because, and then explain why. So you're giving us the key ideas about your character here. And again, I recommend having this be about 2 sentences long so you can fully explain. But if you can explain fully in one, that's okay too. So let me go to my example. I've done half of this for you. I don't want to give you guys too much. So I reworded a thesis statement here. So it says, throughout the film The Hunger Games, Katniss Everdeen is characterized through her personal attributes, tense relationships, and difficult lifestyle. So I basically said the exact same thing as what I did in my introduction thesis. I just added some adjectives and I changed some words. I said characterized instead of described, and I just made it a little different. Then I summarized some data from my first paragraph. So I said Katniss wears her hair in a braid, wears a Mockingjay pin, and can be considered rude at times. So I took the main ideas about her physical description and personality and summarized them in one short sentence. Then I have my internal link. In addition to her personal attributes, that was what paragraph 1 was about, she can also be described by her relationships. That's what I'm about to summarize here next. So then summarize body paragraph 2 and then continue on. So I did not do this second half for you because I really want you guys to think for yourselves. So again, apply what I've done here in this example to your own writing. I am tentative to provide all these examples for you, but I know that some of you need this to be successful. Just please, please, you cannot copy this essay and just change things here or there. Really put things in your own words, be creative. There are a million different ways to word things. Kind of the cool thing about languages, there's tons of different ways to say things. So use your own words, rework it, but this is just to help you with the basics. Questions or concerns, send them my way, but that is your conclusion paragraph.